Hi friends! Let me start by saying this. Your mind is your most fabulous accessory. It's the crown you wear every single day. And just like Barbie swaps outfits to fit every occasion, you can rewire your mindset to match the powerful, unstoppable woman you are destined to be. You don't get to just hope for a better mindset. You have to build it brick by shimmering brick, layer by layer of glittering intention. Think of your mind as the ultimate dream house. Is it decorated with doubt and fear, or filled with confidence, courage, and limitless potential? You get to be the designer here, honey. Every thought you think is like picking the wallpaper for your mental palace. Are you choosing bold colors that inspire, or dull shades that hold you back? Change it up. Redecorate. Make your mental space scream, "I'm here to conquer." You see, Barbie isn't just a doll. She's a symbol of reinvention, a master of mindset makeovers. And guess what? You're the star of your own show, the CEO, the lead actress, and the director. You're not stuck with the mindset you were born with. That's the myth. You have the power to upgrade it, to reprogram those outdated scripts that say I can't, I'm not enough, or maybe someday. Every morning is a reset button. It's your chance to choose thoughts that elevate instead of limit. When you wake up, don't scroll through negativity or compare yourself to someone else's highlight reel. Instead, ask yourself, what mindset will serve my highest vision today? What attitude will make me shine the brightest? Barbie doesn't wait for permission to sparkle. Neither should you. You're not just a passenger in your life. You're the driver of the convertible, wind in your hair, steering towards the life you want to create. Change your mindset. Change your lane. Change your game. Mental rewiring means training your brain like you train for the runway. Practice gratitude. Visualize your goals. Affirm your worth out loud. Picture your thoughts as a playlist. What songs are on repeat? Is it the anthem of fear or the soundtrack of unstoppable confidence? Hit rewind. Press play on your empowerment mix. Each negative thought is like an out-of-style outfit. Throw it out, donate it, and make room for something fierce and fresh. Barbie knows setbacks happen. She's been unemployed, unloved, and unsure, but she never lets that define her. She rewires, reinvents, and relaunches. And so will you. Imagine your brain as a high-tech Barbie convertible, sleek, powerful, and ready to zoom past obstacles. Fill your mental gas tank with positivity and determination every day. Ditch the potholes of doubt and detours of despair. Don't let old limiting beliefs sit in the passenger seat. Kick them out. Instead, ride with thoughts like I'm capable, I'm worthy, and I am designed for greatness. Your inner dialogue sets the speed and direction of your life. Make sure it's fast, fearless, and fabulous. Visualize yourself as a mental DJ, mixing and scratching your thoughts, creating the perfect beat to your life's party. Surround yourself with people who lift your energy, who are like glittering spotlights on your best qualities. Negative vibes? They don't get an invite to your mindset makeover. Consistency is your best accessory. Just like Barbie doesn't become a doctor or astronaut overnight, rewiring takes daily dedication. It's waking up every day and choosing to feed your mind with empowerment through books, podcasts, affirmations, and your own bold declarations. Be ruthless about what you consume mentally. No junk thoughts allowed in your dream house. When self-doubt sneaks in, flash your brightest smile and say, "Not today, negativity." You don't need a magic wand to change your mindset. You need commitment, a sprinkle of Barbie-level sparkle, and the guts to press reset every day. Rewiring is about replacing I wish with I will. It's swapping I can't for watch me. When you catch yourself thinking small, stop. Take a breath. Put on your favorite pink heels and think bigger. You're the author of your story, the designer of your destiny. Start each day with an intention so bold it could only belong to a Barbie girl with a mission. Affirm your power aloud. Say, "I am brilliant. I am brave. I am unstoppable." Repetition rewires your brain. Make it your daily ritual. Imagine every positive thought as a jewel adding to your crown of confidence. Your mindset is your runway. Walk it with purpose, with pride, with passion. Don't just dream of success. Train your brain to expect it. When fear whispers, answer with fierce courage. Remember, Barbie never shrinks in the face of challenge. She steps into the spotlight. Surround your mind with empowering visuals, vision boards, affirmations on mirrors, inspiring quotes. Every time you rewire a limiting belief, you add another brick to your dream house of confidence. Be patient with yourself. Rewiring takes time, but every step forward is a step toward your best self. Celebrate your small wins. Each one is a victory lap on your mindset runway. Don't let setbacks convince you to quit. They're just part of the remix. Transform "I failed" into "I learned," and wear that lesson like a glittering badge. Fill your inner dialogue with affirmations like "I am enough," "I create my reality," and "I am worthy of my dreams." Practice gratitude. It's the glitter that brightens your mindset and attracts abundance. Meditate or journal daily to clear mental clutter and plant seeds of positivity. Stay vigilant. Your mind is like a garden. Weed out toxic thoughts and nurture empowering ones. Visualize yourself crossing finish lines, smashing goals, and celebrating every success. Every morning, remind yourself you are capable of rewiring your brain to greatness. Make your mindset your superpower, your secret weapon in a world that sometimes wants you to dim your light. Choose joy over judgment, growth over guilt, and resilience over resignation. When negative self-talk tries to hijack your day, interrupt it with a fierce, "Nope, not today." You are the CEO of your thoughts. Run your mental empire with strength and grace. Replace scarcity thinking with abundance. Believe there's enough success, love, and happiness for you and everyone else. Take inspired action daily. It's the bridge between mindset and reality. Remember, even Barbie started with a blank slate. You have the same power to redesign your mental world. You don't need to wait for external validation. Your mindset is your own boardroom, and you hold the CEO title. Fill your mind with visions, so vivid they make your heart race. Speak your goals into existence. Say it, believe it, live it. Challenge every negative thought like it's last season's outfit, outdated and irrelevant. Replace "I'm stuck" with "I'm strategizing my next move." Feed your mind with stories of women who rewired their lives and built empires. Celebrate your unique journey. There's no Barbie mold you need to fit. Practice daily rituals that reinforce your new mindset. Affirmations, journaling, visualization. Surround yourself with reminders of your power: a pink lipstick, a fierce quote, a dream board. Keep showing up for yourself, over and over. Like Barbie on her endless adventures, your mindset is your masterpiece. Keep painting it with bold, bright colors. You are more powerful than any challenge that comes your way. Every day is a new chance to rewire your mind and unleash your true potential. So, friends, go out there and rock your mindset like only a Barbie queen can. Because when you change your mind, you change your world. And that, my darling, is the ultimate power move. Now go slay.